we are looking at the installation of a QMP 2284 with the medium size 3540 cash drawer. Now the ports on the 2284 are 4 ports for RS232, which are 1, 2, 3 and 4 there, although the numbering system is slightly different. You've also got the cash drawer port. In most cases they will have an Ethernet port as well, and there is also a USB port for connecting to a computer for downloading information to the till. When you first get the unit, place it on your cash drawer, plug in your cash drawer beside the USB plug. The plug directly to the side of that is port number 2. So if you've got FPOS, that's where you will be putting that into, and we will usually have it labelled. Now the labels on the bottom are slightly different because there is the 4 ports. So the port number relates to bottom and then top. For doing your FPOS, once again you need to have the RS232 and SKYSA cable. RS232 cable goes into port number 2 on the till, and then the RS232 onto the FPOS machine's black box. If you've got any other peripherals to put in, for the likes of a scanner, then of course that would plug into whichever port it was set to. In this case, this one is going to go into port number 1, which is beside port number 2. The other thing that you'll quite often get with the 2284s is a printer. Now with the printers you have 2 cables. The cables do look very similar. You've got your standard RS232 to serial adapter, which is the shorter black cable. The one thing about it is it has a number written on the side of it. This has to go into the till itself, into the port that it is set for. The longer cable is the cable which goes to the printer. Now that has the female end on it to connect in. If you get the cables around the wrong way, the printer will not work. And of course, if you have network printing or anything like that, then you would have to connect the network printing up. Once you've got everything plugged in, it's time to do your receipt paper. So to load the receipt paper, turn the wee knob there, lift up the lid to open up the arm. There's a button a lever that you press down there, and then you can lift that up. Load your paper in. Close down the lid, and then load it through the slot. Once that's all done, you can turn the till on. And then of course, test the items that you have set up. So FPOS, send something through to FPOS. The FPOS machine should come up with something on the screen. And even if you just cancel that, it should send information back to the till. For testing a scanner, of course, scan a barcode. If you put a transaction through, it should open the cash drawer. And of course, printing on the external printer as well. And barcode scanner has read a barcode as well. And that's that.